What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we have something special, something I'm pretty excited about. We have another pickup right here, and this is a pretty early unboxing right here, an early look at a pair of shoes that come out, well, apparently they're coming out next week on August 10th. I'm not really sure if that's true or not, but that's what I'm hearing, August 10th. But you know, I got them a bit early, a week early, and this is a pair of shoes that I wanted, and I just had to have them. And we have it here. I've never seen them or anything. They're still sealed up, and that's what we're gonna look at today. And I'm trying to, you know, do a one take. I'm not trying to like edit this video that much because the day I'm recording this video, it's, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's Thursday, August 2nd, and it's 2:24, and in a couple hours Travis Scott is dropping his album Astr, and you know, it kind of fits perfectly with whatever's in this box. And you know, I'm trying to listen to that, and right now currently Call of Duty Black Ops 4 beta is downloaded on my PlayStation, so I'm trying to hop on that as well. So you know, I'm not trying to spend that much time editing this video. I'm trying to make it short and sweet, and yeah, enough talking. I'm not trying to edit. I'm trying to do this one take. I'm trying to do this raw. So yeah, let's get into this box. I'm not trying to edit this video too much. I'm just trying to make a real quick video, just add music to it, and that's it. Cause you know, I got things I want to do. I want to listen to Travis Scott's album. I'm freaking hyped about that. Call of Duty beta just came out. Like, there's just so much shit going on. And here we have it. Let me just get it out the box real quick. And here we, oh, they almost fell off the box. Hold up. Alright. So, here we have a white box, as you guys can see. This whole box is white. It says Force right there in this gloss print. You can kind of see it right there. It says Force. There you go. You're probably wondering, what the fuck is this? And like I said, Travis Scott, you know what I'm saying? You saw Travis Scott? Just look at that label. Air Force One Low, Travis Scott in my size. I'm really excited for these pairs of shoes. And it's perfect because these literally just came in today. And you know, Travis Scott is dropping his album in a couple hours. So let's look at these bad boys. So as soon as I open the box, there's this thing right here. They're pretty much Velcro swooshes, because you can actually take off the swoosh and like add this kind of like diamond looking swoosh, or you can add the La Flame swoosh, and actually comes with like this kind of like, I'll show you, but you can actually switch out the swooshes, or you can like do all three swooshes, which is pretty dope. And as you guys can see, it says Travis Scott right there, so you get that. And then damn dude, this shoe looks clean. Look at these bad boys. Bam, we have the Air Force One Travis Scott's in that sail colorway. When I first saw pictures of these, I thought they were actually going to restock the first colorway, which was the white canvas, but it was actually a different colorway. And this is like pretty much a creamish, off-whitish type of color. It's not white. It might look white, but it's actually like this cream off-white type of color. And man, bro, these joints are fire. So you have this sail colorway, sail canvas all over the shoe. And obviously you can see this metal blade looking swoosh. And like I said, you can take it off. You can leave it like that if you were like, or you can take one of these out, slap it on there. You can add two. You can pretty much do whatever you want. Like for example, I can make the swoosh upside down if I wanted, or just keep it like the regular swoosh. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play with it and see if I can make something dope. But yeah, you have this sail canvas all over the shoe, and then your bottom, you have that gum bottom. You can never go wrong with a gum bottom. And there's, in this shoe, you gotta pay attention to the details. On the back, it actually says Nike Air, but it's backwards, as you guys can see. So you know, Travis Scott was like, you know what, turn that shit upside down, and bam, they added that. Another thing is where your lacing system is supposed to be, you actually got this cactus jack kind of patch right there. You can see that. And then you have his grills on the laces right there, which is pretty dope. And you can actually take the patch off. It says Cactus Jack, and it's pretty much just like these buttons that you can just put on. Obviously I'm gonna keep it on because it looks dope. And you can take out the grills, but you gotta unlace the whole shoe, take it off, and then lace the shoes back. But I'm gonna keep them bad boys on. And then on the other shoe, the left shoe, you actually have this other patch, which is a sad little guy. I don't know, this is like, I guess like Travis Scott, one of his symbols, I guess. I don't know. There's a smiley, well, not too happy person on there. And you obviously got the grills down there as well, which is dope. And your laces is that sail colorway as well, with these like gray lace tips on them. And then in your insole, one of them says Travis, the other one says Scott. You have red insoles, and they both say Nike Air. Hold up. Nike Air. You see one says Travis, the other one says Scott, and it says Nike Air right there. And the sizing, I'm usually a size 9. I was kind of debating on whether getting an 8.5 in these, but I got a size 9. Alright, so just try them on. I would say go true to size. You can probably get away with going half a size down, but I got a size 9. That's my usual size, and these fit perfect. So I would say go true to size if you're looking to cop these early, or if you're trying to get these on release day. Like I said, I regret not getting the last colorway, the all white canvas colorway, because prices on those right now is like $550, $600, which is crazy for an Air Force. And I remember I was trying to go for them, but they actually did the Nike sneakers raffle, and you know, I never win the raffles, so I took an L on that. And I'm not sure if they're gonna do a Nike sneaker raffle on this pair, or I don't know what Nike's gonna do, but I don't know. They might do a Nike sneaker raffle, who knows. But yeah, man, these shoes are fire. bro, just look at that. Oh, I just put one of the flame Nike swooshes on there, and that shit looks nice. Like in camera, these look white. Trust me, when you see these in person, they're not white. They're like this off-white, creamish kind of color. And yeah, man, let me know if you guys are going for these. And like I said, I believe these are coming out, from where I'm hearing, August 10th. Who knows? But yeah, man, Travis Scott Air Force One in that sail colorway. Got them early, and I'm happy to have these in the collection. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go play some Call of Duty, listen to some Travis Scott, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.